This lesson is going to cover one comma rule, items in a series. The comma is a yield sign. It requires drivers to slow down, to pause, not to stop, but to pause. So as you learn comma rules, use your voice and read sentences aloud with verve and listen for the pause. Verve just means enthusiastically. For items in a series, the number 3 is your key. When you list 3 or more items in a series, you add commas, and it can be single words or strings of words. So Darenique bought soda, licorice, and a banana. Darenique walked her dog, fixed lunch, and studied comma rules. So notice that there's a comma here after soda and licorice, and after this in the second one there's a comma after dog and after lunch. Is that last comma required? A lot of people leave off this comma, but that's not an optional comma. It's required. So you're listing items in a series. That comma is required. MLA and APA require the comma before the final coordinating conjunction in a list. Remember, your coordinating conjunctions are fanboys, for and nor, but, or, yet, and so. Think of it this way. If you have 5 items listed, then you need 4 commas. If you list 4 items, you need 3 commas. If you list 3 items, you need 2 commas. So just remember, count your items and subtract 1 and add the necessary commas. Again, your memory device is 1, 2, and 3, or just a big 3, however you want to remember it. Your practice for this one is for you to write 10 practice sentences using items in a series. For some of the sentences, use just single words like we did banana, licorice, and apples, and some with strings of words, walk the dog, watched a movie, and so forth. Create this in a Google Doc, title it Comma Practice, and you'll be adding other sentences to this document as we cover each new rule.